Day, McVeigh, and happy Thursday. Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, our first project is coming to us from Naomi, Anthony, and Riley from 205. And we have the standard 2 by 2 algorithm for multiplication plus 3 by 2. So that means 3 digits or numerals. Digits are numbers, and so are numerals. So 2 digits multiplied by 2 digits, or 3 digits multiplied by 2 digits, and then solving. Plus illustrating their work and showing how much fun math is. So well done. And it says even at the top 2 by 2 and 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is 3 on top, 2 underneath. And then 2 by 2 is 2 on top and 2 underneath. Okay. And then our next project is by Dominic Lucchese in first grade. So Dominic took a standard little box from McDonald's, and made it into an art project. So these are all little tin foils. And when you first open it, it could look like Hershey Kisses almost, because Hershey Kisses come in those little tin foils. But what I'm thinking this is sort of like a box of treasure. It could be a precious stone. A lot of stones have a shiny quality to them, or metals in them, like something like malachite. But I'm not sure, but it's super cool, and I love the way that he reused something and made it into art. All right. So I'm going to move on to the Wordle and mystery number now, because something super cool happened, and I need to spend a little more time on it. Room 103 figured it out. So my first clue about the two numbers was that the first number was less than the second. But then yesterday I said, no, that wasn't correct, that they were both the same. Okay, so I'm going to get to that in a second. So that means that all those people I said did not get the correct number are actually correct. But in addition to that, all of 214 today submitted their Wordles and came up with the correct Wordle. This is the entire class. This is Maddie, Ariel, Michael, Joanna, Khaleesi, no name on this one, Titus, Austin, Thomas, Joanna, Titus again, but these are different ones. The one with the Wordle, one with the mystery number. And then we had also Juliana, Nuseba, Mateo, and Lily, as well as Yumeo and Diana, submit their mystery numbers. But my clue yesterday should have helped you understand that this word is misunderstand. Okay, now here's where it gets interesting. So all of 103 submitted 24 as the mystery number. I said, the only one I got that was correct was Hope. And so room 103 respectfully disagreed, and they make a claim. They said, my claim is that you're incorrect, that the mystery number is 24, because my evidence is that on December 11th, you said that the first digit was less than the second. Now, that's 100%. I did say that. I said that. And then yesterday, I said it wasn't. Okay. So yesterday, I made a big error that caused a lot of misunderstanding. I told all those boys and girls they were incorrect, yet they were. That was an error. That was my error. So an error is when you, whatever you do, pretty much steers you or others in the wrong direction. Now, you can make an error by mistake, but errors almost always lead to misunderstanding, either for yourself or for the person or the people that you're speaking with. Whereas a mistake is usually just about yourself. So my mistake was that I didn't go back and review all of my clues before I let you know. That was my mistake. I should have done that. My error was to announce the wrong mystery number. Yeah, and that caused a lot of misunderstanding. So luckily, room 103, they picked it up. They made claims, they had evidence, they gave their reason, and they're all 100% right. So I want to say, Rahab, E-Ray, I'm not sure who did this one. Oh, Jacob, sorry. Christian, Emily, I can't read this name because it's a little bit late, but it could be because, oh, there's Chloe. I'm sorry. Mevel, Sandia, Vedant, and Samantha. We're all on this. I'm so proud of you. Yes. And that's why I kept saying it relates to the Wordle. So the mystery number relates to the Wordle. Yep, there was an error, which caused misunderstanding. So now we can start to understand the difference between a mistake, an accident, an error, and a misunderstanding. So if you make your 3 a little sloppy and it looks like a 5, you made a mistake. If you don't line up your columns in math, hundreds with hundreds, tens with tens, ones with ones, because you confuse the tens and the ones, that would be an error. That means you misunderstand place value. If you did it because you were being sloppy and going too fast, that's a mistake. Very different. All right. And now it's time for a Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So the Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is a shout out to Layla Sainbert in 5th grade. This is what happened yesterday. I'm walking down the hall, and there's a cracker on the floor, like one of those crackers with peanut butter inside, or something like that, like cheese or something. And some people are walking, they walk past it. Now, I'm behind them. I'm carrying lots of things. I don't think Layla saw me. Anyhow, she walked past it, stopped, turned around, went back, picked it up. Amazing. Layla knew somebody's going to come by and step on that. It'll crush all over the floor. Then it could become a slip hazard. Somebody's going to have to clean it up. And probably initially was wondering, should I touch that? Should I not? But then right away just threw it out and knew she could go wash her hands. It was a big help to me, by the way, because I was carrying so many things. I would have picked it up also, but it would have been hard for me to put everything down, pick that up, whatever. So I really want to say thank you, Layla, for doing that and letting you know how much that was appreciated. And of course, everybody, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.